welcome to my channel. My name is Action here. I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. You've been here before. Welcome back. So today's video is, of course, today is Wednesday. You know what that means. It's the Beauty collab that I do every Wednesday with my friends Charles Fashion Nation, Robert's Beauty Bag, and Mountain Witch Christine, which I'm very excited. Yes, today's look is going to be a Pisces look. And the colors for Pisces is orange, yellow, aquamarine blue to green and those colors, you know. So, I don't know what kind of look I'm going to go for, but I know what palette I'm going to be using. The Fade Into You palette from Colourpop. One of my favorite rainbow palettes. Like, I know there's so many out there and everything else, but I really like this because this is a lot of colors to play with. So, I don't know what colors that anybody's using, but very exciting. So, like I said, I really don't know what kind of colors I'm going to work with. I think I'm going to use I don't know. I think I know what I want to do. I'm thinking. It's so hard to think with these colors. It's difficult. Yeah. So what I'm thinking, make sure you hit the like button if you like the collab and all everybody else is doing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You want to be part of the Makeup Addict family. We're drama-free and judgment-free. We don't put up with that at all. We welcome everybody. And of course, don't forget the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos. So, I got an idea. May or may not work, because I have a cat on me, and I just don't know when I'm going to plan. But let's go with the yellow and orange, because those two colors work really good. You know? So, I'm thinking I'm going to go with this pastel orange called Treasure right here. I want to use the NYX Jumbos eyeliner and just use this all around the eye, because I do want this color to be vibrant possible. One thing I could say about this product, I like it. But like I said, I'm gonna go with Treasure. I'm just gonna blend that into the crease. And yeah. Yeah. If you saw Colourpop's new palettes, like they released the 9-pen ones, I'm like, I want to get this, but I do still want to get the Aurora. I'm sorry, I'm stuck with the Aurora. Like Pisces is like right at the end of February almost to the middle of March. I have 3 people in my family that are Pisces. That's my niece, my great niece, and my sister. Both my great niece and my niece are in February, and my sister is like March, like the day, I think it's day after. I don't know, March 17th, whenever St. Patrick's Day. Oh, maybe my uncle might be a Pisces, because my uncle was born on St. Patrick's Day. So, I don't know. I'm gonna use Abstract. It's nice, basic, cool, bright yellow. I'm just using more of a fluffy brush because I do want this shade to be a little bit more of a softer, more look, more than more of a really straight on color. Like, I want this to be nice and simple. I'm going to use this shimmer. It's called Shine Bright. It's actually my first time ever using, this yellow color. It's like, it's a nice or pretty yellow. Like, I do like that yellow. And then I'm going to use Retro Dream. I just don't want this to be like, you know, really out there. Like, I do, but I don't at the same time. So we're just gonna go make that. Then I'm gonna use the other side, and the one I'm gonna use is the orange in this color Retro Dream right here. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna say, "Oh my gosh, no." I really don't use these two colors a lot, so it's not something I play with a lot. I just don't. So this might be colors I will play with more. Like, I do play with orange. The oranges I play with is more like a dark, like almost to a brown color to really warm color, and not these colors. Like I said, I really do like this. And when it comes to bright colors, I don't play with, like, I don't know how to put it, like really dark colors. But I will put some mascara on. Now this is my favorite one. It's Lash It Loud from e.l.f. It's Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. They do have a waterproof one. And I do want to try the waterproof. I do. So gives you the good volumizing, because I don't wear lashes. That's one thing I really don't wear a lot of. And I don't wear a lot of falsies. And you'll know if I'm wearing falsies. I'm not the type of person that wears falsies. Like, I have to be in a really, really special mood. Like, I don't need falsies. But I really like wispy ones. I don't care for the full one. I'm gonna finish this eye and I'm gonna finish up my face and let you see the, well, not let you, but you will see the finished look. So be right back. Okay, this is the finished look. I really do like this. I really do like this look. I really do. I like the orange. Now, with oranges and yellows, I kind of go with a nude lip. Anyway, really cool tone lip, because I just don't, unless I'm playing with really, really bright freaking orange, I will put an orange lipstick on. But that's just, it's rare that I do. I do have orange lipstick, I just don't wear them. But I definitely need to get some more of this product, because I do like this product. It's the Profusion Cosmetics Matte Lip Cream in Matte Pure Matte. It's just matte, but it's up here. I really do like this. Like, I really do love Profusion. Like, they have been like my favorite drugstore brand. But of course, I love Colourpop too, because Colourpop is also affordable and easy to work with, and I like the colors that they always come out with. The palettes can be a little bit different. But yeah, I need to go to a Target run one of these days and get some new products from Colourpop and Revolution and NYX. And don't normally shop at Target, but it's one of these. But here and there, I really do like this look. Like, I do. I really do. I really like to fade into you from Colourpop. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you like the collab that I've been doing, that I've been hosting this past month or so now. It's the Beauty collab. I've been posting it for a few weeks now, and I'm very excited. And this month is gonna be a lot of fun. I know there's like a lot of Valentine looks coming out and everything, which I'm very excited about because I get to play with pinks and purples and reds more. I don't normally play with those colors a lot. I'm very excited. But yeah, you're gonna see a lot of, probably this is the only orange and yellow you're gonna see for a while till spring and summer and everything, which I'm very excited about because I got some cool ideas. But yeah, that's just it. But I hope you do like this collab and everything. I hope you check out the other girls, Char's Fashionation, Baton Witch, Christine, and Robert's Vita Bag. It is just to help our, just support each other, and that's all we're just doing on this, and just having fun and supporting each other. And that's all I have to say is having fun and supporting each other, and just help us each other grow and everything. And that's the fun about it, is just having fun. And makeup should be just having fun, not all this crazy stuff that's happening this week. But yeah, but I do hope you do like this collab, and we got more looks coming. I'm very excited. But yes, so make sure you check out the lovely ladies, of course, because they're beautiful. Of course, Char and Christine are both variety channels. They do like, especially Char's Fashionation. She does like knitting, crocheting, more the fashion, and she does play with makeup, of course. And Christine does play with makeup. She does like video games and other things that are pretty cool. And also Barbara does makeup and whatever she does, But yes, so make sure you check the girls out. So guys, hit the like button if you do like this video and you like the collab and everything, because I'm actually having fun with this collab. It's my first posting a collab like this, and I'm very excited about that. And yeah, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll be part of the Makeup Addict family. We're drama free and judgment free here. We don't play with that at all, even though but we welcome everybody. We don't care where you come from and everything else. We welcome everybody. Just have fun. That's all we ask, right? Just have fun with makeup. And of course, don't forget the notification bell so you can notify of any new videos that come out. I do upload videos, but I meant go live twice. So every Monday at 10 a.m. for Get With Me Monday with me. And of course, Freaky Friday for my friend Char's Fashionation at 9 p.m. We talk about the freaky and the spooky and all the stuff that's going on, which is exciting. And I do upload every Tuesday and Thursdays at 10 a.m. Of course, for the collab that is here every Wednesday at 1 p.m. So, guys, I love you. Hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. And bye.